everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Prachi Kadam, your very own dentist. Today in this video, I will be answering the most frequently asked question to me by my patients, that is how to deal with dental pain. Now, looking at the current scenario, it is very difficult for the dentist as well as for the patients to get the procedures done. So in this video, I will be explaining the home remedies which will help you to relieve the pain for a temporary basis. I won't say that it is a permanent solution, but at least for the temporary basis, you will get a relief. Okay, now before getting to know the home remedies, let us know the causes of the toothache. So the main causes of toothache are tooth decay, repetitive motions of the mouth, abscessed tooth, damaged fillings, eruption of wisdom tooth. Now these are some basic causes of toothache. Now let's get to the home remedies. All you will need is 1 to 2 drops of clove oil. What you have to do is apply this oil directly on the affected tooth and leave it on. Try to not lick the oil. Let it stay in place. You can apply this oil 3 to 4 times in a day. The key component of clove oil called eugenol diminishes the pain. Take 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract on the cotton swab. Repeat as and when required on the affected tooth. Tea bag for toothache. All you will need is a tea bag and water. If your tooth is not sensitive to cold, place the tea bag in ice water for some time before applying it. Fourth is baking soda to prevent toothache. All you will need is baking soda. Water and a cotton ball. What you have to do is moisten the cotton ball with some water and cover the entire ball with baking soda. Place the cotton ball against the affected tooth to eliminate the tooth pain. You can also mix a heaped teaspoon of baking soda in a little bit of warm water. Dissolve the powder and use this liquid as a mouth rinse. It will work the same way. Oregano oil for toothache. You will need is oregano oil and Q-tip. Using the Q-tip, apply the oregano oil directly on the tooth with the pain. You can reapply after a few hours if the pain persists. Oregano oil has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Whiskey for toothache. All you will need is whiskey or brandy and a cotton ball. What you have to do is take the ball of cotton and soak it in some whiskey or brandy. Apply the soaked cotton ball on your tooth. Keep replacing the cotton ball until you can visit a dentist. This home remedy for toothache also has been around for quite some time. Ginger for toothache. All you will need is a small piece of ginger root, 1 teaspoon of cane paper, water and a cotton ball. Powder the ginger root and to it add the cane paper and water to make a thick paste. Dip the ball of cotton into the paste so that it gets completely covered with it. Now apply the cotton on your tooth. Leave it on for a few minutes. Repeat the above steps as and when required. This toothache home remedy will provide relief from pain immediately and treat the toothache for good. All you will need is a small piece of raw onion. Place the raw onion on the affected tooth. Leave it on for a couple of minutes. Repeat this twice a day. Onion will not only ease the pain but will also kill the germs that are causing the pain. 12th. All you will need is a glass of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Dissolve the salt in the warm water and rinse your mouth with this. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day. Warm salt water will help the swelling and also kill the bacteria in your mouth. 13th. All you will need is a clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Crush the clove of garlic and mix it with some rock salt. Apply this paste on the affected tooth to get relief. You can repeat this twice a day. Garlic has so many medicinal properties, so it is not surprising that it is also effective against toothache. Cinnamon to prevent toothache. All you will need is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 5 teaspoons of honey. Mix the cinnamon powder with honey. Apply the sticky paste directly on your tooth. Repeat this twice or thrice a day. Or until the toothache disappears. Why this works? Cinnamon along with honey can provide relief from an excruciating tooth pain. Peppermint tea for tooth pain. All you will need is 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves and a cup of boiling water. Steep the peppermint leaves in the boiling water for about 20 minutes. Strain and allow the tea to cool. Use it as a mouth rinse. Repeat the rinsing till it brings relief. Peppermint tea has the ability to numb the affected part of your mouth. Its menthol content renders a cooling effect on your gums and teeth. Asafoetida for toothache. All you will need is a pinch of asafoetida powder or hing, that is what we call in Marathi. 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and a cotton ball. Mix the two ingredients together. Make the paste a little warm, taking care not to burn the asafoetida. Now soak the cotton in the paste and place it directly on the affected tooth. Repeat after a few hours if required. This home remedy for toothache alleviates the pain almost instantaneously and is recommended if the toothache is caused due to a cavity. It also has antiviral and antifungal properties. Guava leaves to get rid of toothache. All you will need is 4 to 5 guava leaves, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt and water. Boil the leaves in water, strain and set aside. When the water is warm, add salt and use it to rinse your mouth thoroughly. Chew on a couple of tender guava leaves to ease the pain. How often you need to do this? Do this twice a day. This will ease the pain